Trying to move on a tight budget? You are definitely not alone, and yes, it can be frustrating. Moving with limited funds often means more stress, more work, and fewer options. One of the biggest challenges is having to do everything yourself. When money is tight, hiring professional help may not feel possible, so you end up packing, lifting, loading, and unloading on your own. That can be exhausting and increases the risk of injuries or damaged belongings. Budget moves also come with limited flexibility. You may have to move on less than ideal dates, rely on friends who may cancel, or deal with rental trucks that are not always available when you need them. Unexpected costs like fuel, equipment rentals, or last-minute supplies can quickly add up. Another issue is a lack of backup plans. When you're working with a very small budget, there is little room for mistakes or delays. One problem can throw off your entire move. The good news is that knowing these challenges ahead of time helps you prepare better. Planning early, cutting clutter, and comparing options can make a budget move more manageable. Want more expert tips and free moving quotes? Visit movers.com, and you can email us at contactus@movers.com or call us at 866-343-1243 to connect with trusted movers and make your next move smarter, easier, and more affordable.